How to get rid of acne. Acne is a skin disorder that develops when your skin pores become clogged with oil and dead skin cells. Acne is a relatively common condition, and most people have had it at some point in their lives. Teenagers are particularly susceptible since their oil glands create more oil during this period. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. 1. Honey and cinnamon face mask. Researchers showed that using antibacterial soap alone was just as good at treating acne as using honey on the skin after using the soap. While honey and cinnamon's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities may lessen acne, additional research is required. 2. Reduced Airy. In studies involving participants aged 14 to 24, consumption of whole milk 3 or more days per week was linked to moderate or severe acne. There needs to be more research on the connection between milk and acne. 3. Reduce stress. It is unclear exactly how stress and acne are related. You might also be more likely to pick at areas of your face when you're under stress. By spreading bacteria, touching or picking your skin excessively can worsen acne. 4. Exercise. The effects of exercise on acne have received minimal study. However, physical activity has an impact on the body in ways that may help reduce acne. A study found that exercise affects hormone levels and hormone regulation. Exercise can therefore help to reduce stress and worry, both of which can contribute to the emergence of acne. 5. Moisturize with aloe vera gel. Tropical aloe vera plants have transparent gel coming out of their leaves. The gel is frequently used in soaps, creams, lotions, and ointments. Salicylic acid and sulfur, both of which are found in aloe vera, are also often used to treat acne. According to research from a reliable source, applying salicylic acid topically to the skin can reduce acne. 6. Apply apple cider vinegar. Apple cider, or the unfiltered juice from squeezed apples, is fermented to produce apple cider vinegar. Acne scars may look better thanks to the lactic acid in apple cider vinegar. 7. Consume zinc supplement. Zinc is a crucial mineral for immune system health, hormone production, cell growth, and metabolism. The safe upper limit for daily zinc intake is 40 mg, so it's usually advisable to stay within that level unless you're under a doctor's care. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.